good, what is good, my sizers? We are back again with another video, and today we're at the Vdara. And this little area right here is really awesome. It's called the City Center. It's made up of Aria, the Crystal Shops, the Harmon, Waldorf Astoria, Vdara, and the Veer Towers. So going into Vdara, when you walk in, to the left will be the bell desk. That little hallway on the left is also a conference center, and that is registration and check-in. And oh, look, there's my mom taking a picture for some strangers. And there's also a restaurant in here that is also a bar. I did not know this, but just like the Delano, the Vdara is strictly a hotel. This is like a little seating area right outside the elevators that lead you to the room. And this is the front of the restaurant. This restaurant is called Vice Versa, and it's a patio and lounge. And this is a shot of their bar. The Vice Versa restaurant literally takes up maybe 30% of the first floor. But next to that, if you have children or you just don't want whatever Vice Versa has to offer, they do have a market cafe. And though it is expensive, my mom and I ate here and it's so good. It's like really good food. But if you don't want that either, have no fear, because down their last hallway of the first floor, there's a Starbucks. It's in the corner and it looks small and it's kind of hidden, but I promise you there's a Starbucks. And it is open from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Thursdays through Mondays. So those are interesting hours, but there you have it. Down this hallway leads you to a tram. This tram takes you to Bellagio, Park MGM, Park Theater, T-Mobile Arena, the Aria, the Crystals, and the Waldorf shops. So it takes you to basically everywhere. And yes, those look like very sketchy stairs, but it leads you to the outside. I noticed all the trams are outside, so dress appropriately for the weather, like if you plan on taking a tram anywhere in Vegas, especially the ones that are for the Luxor, the Excalibur. Another thing I would like to mention that is also very important is that the tram is free. So the tram for the Aria, Vdara, the Crystals, and then the one for the Luxor, the Excalibur, like both sets of trams are free. I prefer this one though because it's very descriptive. So this one here, if you look on the sign with the lights on it, it will literally say this tram is going to such and such destination and the next tram will be rolling in such and such minutes. I don't remember if the Luxor and Excalibur tram had that, but when I saw that, I was like, that's really cool because it reminds me of the airport. Anyways, we're going to the Crystals next, so stay tuned for that video, which will be on Thursday. So put on your post notifications for that. And that's all for this video. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below any other spots I should do. And be sure to smash that subscribe button down there while you're at it. Because guess what? The tram is here, so our next video is here. Toodles!